Hey guys, welcome to my channel. That was weird. I'm sorry that that came out of me in that way. Today we did a full face of Glossier. It's my first time trying this brand. I've never tried a single product. You guys have been asking me to try the brand, but for a really long time they didn't ship to Canada, and also it's expensive. But I finally bit the bullet. I finally made an order. They ship to Canada now. I tried a whole bunch of stuff in this video, so you'll have to watch to see how I feel about the products. I let you guys know how much they cost, how they felt. I'll let you know in the comments how they wear. This is not sponsored. I bought all these products on my own. So as always, even when things are sponsored, these are my opinions and my opinions only. My honest opinions. I'm always real with you guys. There's a fluff in my nose and I can't, oh, I got it. I finally got it. It still feels itchy though. Anyways, if you're wondering about the brand, then keep watching. If you're not, I mean, you could watch anyways if you have some spare time and want to hang out. The first product that we're gonna try is the Perfecting Skin Tint. I got the shade G10. Hopefully this works out because it was $32. I've also got some new beauty sponges to try. This brand is called Dirty 30s. They're super cute and you can buy them in bulk. 6 of these sponges is $52.95. So these are only $10 a piece instead of $25. Feels right. I guess I need to get up and go get it wet. She's a big girl. Just gonna put this right on. It's a really thin formula. I'm just gonna do half my face so we can kind of look at the difference. It blends into my skin amazingly. You can't even tell that there's any product on my skin. It is buildable, but if you like coverage, this is not for you. It pretty much does exactly what it says it does. It's a perfecting skin tint. It just looks like my skin, but a little bit better. So this is the side with the skin tint and without. It looks pretty good. I really like this. This just made my skin look a little bit better. I'm happy with that. Next, we've got the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I've got the shade G11 and this was $22. I'm actually gonna take this with a fluffy brush and I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of product. And I'm gonna really gently go under my eye. That was a tiny bit of product and that looks really good. I'll also cover any redness on my eyelid. Take a little bit over any little spots that need some extra coverage. This is the 16 brush by BH Cosmetics. So there's half my face done with the Stretch Concealer. Again, not super full coverage, more so a your skin but better type of makeup. I'm really impressed because I feel like this side of my face looks pretty good and it doesn't really look like I'm wearing any makeup. The under eye coverage is pretty excellent. I don't have a Glossier contouring product, so I'm gonna cheat and I'm gonna contour with my Milk Makeup bronzer stick in the shade Blaze, but I'm gonna keep it pretty chill. Just contouring in the hollow of my cheekbone, along my jawline. I'll bounce over that a little bit with my Dirty 30 sponge. I'll add a little bit of warmth to my forehead and down the sides of my nose. I don't want it to be super structured, just warm, just a little bit so my face doesn't look like an egg. This is the Smashbox Precision Highlighting Brush. You know that we do not use brushes for what they're meant for on this channel. I'm done with my bronzer, but I just have to point out that this concealer, I don't have a lot of it on, but it has barely creased at all. And that never happens on my eyes because I've got this deep crease down here, and even with powder, usually I have creasing. So I'm impressed. I'm still gonna put a tiny bit of powder. This is the Fenty powder in Butter, just in the places that I always crease. I'll press a little bit in the folds of my nose, on my smile lines. And that's it. I want this to look as natural as possible, so I'm not gonna go too heavy on the powder. Next up, I'm finally trying the Boy Brow. You guys have asked me to try this a lot, so I'm excited. I got the shade Brown and this was $20. So I'm just applying it to my brows in an upward motion for maximum fluff. This is amazing. It feels really sticky, which makes me think this is gonna hold all day. I am very happy with that. $20 well spent. It's so buildable. I love you. Now I'm gonna try the Cloud Paint, which is a cute little liquid blush. I love the packaging. It looks like a little paint tube. I got the shade Storm, and this was $22. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of this on my finger. That's probably too much. Oh, I love it. I probably don't need more, but you guys know I'm obsessed with blush. Take a little bit on my nose. It says on the packaging that it's a seamless blush, and that's exactly how I would describe it. It's just blending right into my makeup. I feel like my complexion right now looks like I just have amazing skin and I was out in the sun. I'm very, very happy with this skin. For some more glow, even though this makeup alone is already so glowy, I've got the haloscope in Moonstone. This says that it's a dewy highlighter, and this was $27. I'm gonna use my finger to pick up the product to make sure it's warm. I don't wanna go right in with this stick and drag off my makeup. And I'm just gonna tap it where I want some dewiness. That's pretty. It's got a very subtle shine of purple. This is very summer. I just want to show you guys really close what my skin looks like. I feel like I could probably get away with lying to someone and saying that I woke up like this. I did pick up one of the products from the Play line. This is a glitter jelly. It's wrapped up like a little candy. This is in the shade Phantasm, and it was $17. I'm gonna use a really tiny little firm brush, and I'm gonna grab some and just apply it to my lids. It is festival season, so we're gonna go ham on the glitter. This is full of glitter. When I looked at it, it kind of just looked like clear goop with a little bit of glitter, but like that's a lot of glitter. Look at that glitter on the inner corner. It's so pretty. I feel like you could probably keep building up on this until it was like solid glitter. That is, I hope that this is picking up on camera because that is so cool. I'm always a little bit nervous when I do a first impressions of a brand video because sometimes things take a little while to get used to and figure out how to use them in a way that works for you. But I must say, I am very, very impressed by this brand. And it's a good thing too because it was expensive. I'm really interested to see how this dries down and wears. The glitter's got purple and yellow, orange and blue. Imagine what this would look like on top of like a dark blue or black eyeshadow. Next up, we've got the Lash Slick Mascara, and this was $20. This had really good reviews, so hopefully it lives up to my expectation. From what I saw, it looked like it was really lengthening. I'm gonna have to agree. This looks amazing. This is starting to sound sponsored. I can't really fake it on video. My eyelashes look really long. My mom is gonna die over this mascara. I am going to wear this makeup all day, so I'll leave a little blurb in the comment section and I'll pin it at the top and I'll let you know how everything wears. Because yes, this mascara does look amazing, but if I have raccoon eyes in 3 hours, it's not gonna work. It's just giving them such a nice curl, and I feel like every time I go back in, it just adds a little bit more length. This is not what my lashes usually look like with mascara. I really hope that this wears well. This mascara looks so good that I feel a little bit emotional. I had to get one of these Generation G lipsticks because it's like everything that I like my lipstick to look like. I love blotting my lipstick out. You guys know I love lipsticks that are like your lips but better, and this looked like it was all that. I got the shade Zip, and this was $20. It's so soft and powdery. It smells nice. I think you guys probably already know what I'm gonna say about this. I love it. It's so subtle and matte, and the color is beautiful. I also had to get the lip gloss because it looked so glossy. This was $17. It's a clear gloss. It looks like it's kind of tinted pink, and I expected it to be a little bit bigger. It smells sweet, and it's very glossy. I don't need any more than what came out in one swipe, so the size might not be an issue. Everything looks and feels so natural. I feel like I'm not wearing any makeup except the glitter isn't natural. You guys know what I mean. I'm gonna put on some freckles because I've been wearing them since 2008, and at this point I feel not like me without them. I'm also going to style my hair, make a fun little tutorial for Instagram, and I'll be right back. You may notice that my hair is temporarily a different color. So check out my Instagram to see the video. And this is the look. This is the whole thing together. The glossier face with the festival fit. I'm not going to any festivals. It's not really my thing, but that doesn't mean I can't look like I am. Little recap. I love glossier. I have found a few new favorites. I love this complexion. It feels incredible on my skin. I look so fresh and dewy. I love this glitter. I love the brow. I'm a happy girl. I want to know if you guys have tried this brand and what you think about it. So let me know in the comments and let me know if there's any other brands that you want me to try. Thanks for watching, you guys.